everybody, thanks for coming to our channel. Today's recipe is a blast from my kids' past. My kids loved pizza, and I used to make pizza sandwiches for them all the time, and they were a huge hit, not only with them but with their friends. These sandwiches, they're customizable because you can put in what some kids like and what other kids don't like. You can remove. They can be made ahead of time, so it makes them really nice when you have a big crowd around. They can be cooked in an air fryer or in the oven. They can be cooked on the barbecue or even on an open campfire, which makes them an awesome and for easy meals for a crowd, awesome for a snack around the campfire or fire pit, or just a quick meal that you can make ahead of time. And really, who doesn't love pizza? I personally love pizza, and I actually crave it at least once a week. So I decided that I was going to revise my old recipe to make it more WW friendly, and this is it. So thanks for watching and supporting us here at Stunning Misadventures, and I hope you love these sandwiches as much as I do. I'm really pleased with the revision. It's actually quite delicious.